Yo, it's the trail, nigga. Eggs from a different cloth, I'm a real nigga. They don't make niggas like me anymore. Being real is all I know. Gotta stay solid, man. Fuck anybody not jacking me. And shout out to my gang, nigga. Big gang, why? I'll be a billionaire if I had it my way. Get cash daily, I don't gotta wait till Friday. Working Bezos' company, and luckily it's a luxury. Anytime I could cash out on my pay. Where I put it right on my wisely, but I'm stacking up, spend this money wisely. See a cute younger, what's good? You got ID, she not gonna steal well, but man, she could ride these. I was loving that pussy, no lie, G. What's up with these new hoes offering up their IG? Don't do socials, but type in the trail KMX on everything. I bet you could find me. Aquarius dude love bad women that's Pisces. Love Latinas, Hispanic women that's spicy. Spend a little game, she want me to spend the night. She alright, I'ma fuck you, but I gotta leave the night. Yo, I ain't tryna wait long. Gonna hop on the bus if the train take long. Spent like 20 minutes on this platform, man. Yo, I hate this train. Yo, I hate the train. Yo, I hate the train. It's too much people trying to go home and I need to. 7 years, man, if I hit a bus driver, can't sit that long, I got too much fire. Fucking with the L-I-double-R. The X not in Long Island with the Rough Riders. And my ticket speed off peak. Niggas whack like silk wrapped in North Beat. Get a job at UPS. That car was ass. I miss summer jam at UPS. I could really spit the industry aloud BS. Big queen shit of hoes from WX. Cut some haze from the shop and WX. Shoots for life in Castle Hill where the shop be next. Got this throat go and she giving me some neck. Get deep inside like hard drive and it be so wet. Now I'm going to sleep, gonna get me some rest. White girls give the best head, but who fucked the best? It's back, man, yo, I ain't tryna wait long. Gonna hop on the bus if the train take long. Spent like 20 minutes on this platform, man. Yo, I hate this train. Yo, I hate the train. Yo, I hate the train. There's too much people trying to go home and I need to.
This is the last stop on this train. Everyone, please leave the train. Thank you for riding with MTA New York City.